Want to connect your new AirPods to your iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. Now let's get started. To connect your AirPods to your iPhone, open your iPhone settings. Select Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. If you're connecting regular AirPods or AirPods Pro, open the AirPods case and leave the AirPods inside the case. Bring the open case near your iPhone. If you're connecting AirPods Max, remove the headphones from their case and bring them near your iPhone. The AirPods should automatically come up on your iPhone and prompt you to connect them. Tap Connect. Your AirPods will then be connected to your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup of your AirPods. You can then tap the I button next to your AirPods in the list of Bluetooth devices to customize the name of your AirPods and configure your AirPods settings how you'd like. Then you can begin using your AirPods with your iPhone. That's all it takes to connect AirPods to your iPhone. For more helpful Apple device tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Apple device tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.